there, this is Lucy with WTI, and these are the slip-on shoes you're going to need. These slip shoes are so comfortable. I have really small feet, so I appreciated the fact that they carry a size 5. Besides them being my outside shoes, I have a lot of activities that I do with them. As you can see here, I have a garden bed that I constantly climb up, so I need good non-slip sturdy shoes. I have some cutting to do every now and then. I have my mint here, so these shoes keep me comfortable. And my fruit trees that I constantly have to water. These are waterproof, so you don't have to worry about them getting wet, and they keep your feet from not getting wet as well. Cutting the grass is another activity that I love to do with them because oftentimes they get really dirty. Not to worry, you just come back, wash them inside and out, and it's usually very, very simple. I dry them out for about 30 minutes, and they're done. So, want easy, comfortable slip-on shoes? These are the ones, and that's my point of view.